What's up guys, welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna be showing you why you should never diversify when you're in your starting phase. That's right, coming up. So when you're starting out and you don't know anything, people are gonna tell you that you have to diversify just to protect your investments. And that's true at some point. I mean, if you had $20 million, it may be good to diversify at that point, because what diversification does is it mitigates the risk of you losing your investments. And when you diversify, that's gonna bring you an average of 7 to 10% annually on your money. If you have 20 million and you get that return, I mean, you can pretty easily live with that. But what if you only have $100, $1,000, and you buy 10 different stocks with that money? That's gonna give you still like a 7 to 10% return annually. And that's gonna mean nothing big, and your portfolio is not gonna grow as fast as you might want. What I exactly did when I had $10,000 that I saved up, you can start early just putting $100 every time, or $1,000, or any amount. But I have a couple examples here with 10,000. You can choose one stock. Either with the $10,000 that you have, you can buy Tesla, Apple, Amazon, any stock that's probably gonna double in the next 1, 2, even 3 years. That's gonna give you the best return in your investment. And yeah, of course, it's gonna be way more risk because all of your money is gonna be into one stock. And that may be, some people could handle the risk, some can't handle that risk. But if you want to get rich faster, you can diversify in the starting phase. That's gonna slow you really a lot. So another thing that you can also do is you can use your $10,000 and then put it as down payment for a house. And then with whatever you buy, a single family or a duplex, with the positive cash flow that you get, you can start buying more stocks or start investing in other stuffs. But also you gotta have the risk in mind that maybe the people you're renting the single family house or the duplex might go. So you gotta have a really stable job to be able to afford the mortgage. And that's just like a couple of things you might be able to do. But always do your own research. Never invest in something because people told you to do it. Not even on this video. Like, you can try to diversify and see how fast your portfolio grows. And if you don't like it, you can maybe stop diversifying like I'm telling you in this video and see what's better for you. Because always it's very important that you do your own research, because many people have lost their money by just investing in what people have told them. One example, it might be, hey. Yeah, you don't want that happen to you. Wow. To make money, you need money or good credit. If you don't have money, then with good credit, you can get a loan of whatever money you want. Or if you don't have credit, then you're gonna need money. And how can you start your credit? Get a secure credit card, get a car loan. That's gonna make your credit go up really fast. Or you can watch Stephen Graham's channel. He gives a really good advice.
Smash the like button, destroying the like button, smashing the like button, smash the like button, please make the like button turn blue.
And obviously, the more money or that your net worth goes up, then you gotta start diversifying to protect those investments. Like what I exactly did with 10,000, I went all in one in cryptocurrency. And why did I do that? Well, that's at that time, from my point of view, I thought that was the asset that was gonna bring me the most return on my investment. And indeed, it was. My second choice was Tesla, but yeah, I didn't buy Tesla. But well, you learn on the way on making money, and then that's gonna make you make better decisions in the future. And then when, like I was saying, when your network will goes up, then you're gonna need to start diversifying to protect you from the bear markets, and just so that you don't lose everything that you have, because you are gonna start getting more and more money every year that you work. So you gotta start diversifying until you get more money, not when you're starting out. I believe, from my point of view, that the hardest part is to get to 100,000. How can you get there? Well, at the beginning, I was working 2 full-time jobs, 16 hours every day, and I was sleeping like 3 to 4 hours every day. And sometimes my jobs were very close, that I was getting out from one and then going right away to another one, that I didn't have even a chance to get a shower. That's how hard I was working. But then I started to get more experience, getting better jobs, start making more money, and then that's how you start growing. But you gotta suffer at the beginning. I mean, if your parents help you and you can live at their house, or if they buy you a car or something like that, then congrats. I mean, you have it a little bit easier than everybody else, but cool. So you should get to $1 million faster then. This is something I wanted to tell you. I invested every paycheck. As soon as my employer gave me the paycheck, I was like investing it. I wasn't waiting for anything. Like that same day, I was already transferring my money to Coinbase to buy as much crypto as I could at that time. Everything. Like I was probably living with $300 to $400 a month with gas, money, like all my basic expenses paid, and then invested everything that was extra. And I was doing that because I wanted my money to start working for me as soon as I got it. So what I think of money is that when you are investing it, it's like another person working for you. Like I'm already working to make money, but then when I invest my money, then that money is working to get more money. So it's like you multiplying by 2 or 3 depending on how much money you're making. That's why I'm saying that the hardest part is to get to 100,000, because as soon as you get there and you have invested $100,000, then if you double your money in the next 1 or 2 years, maybe that's what you're doing every year at your work. So that's pretty much like multiplying yourself by 2. That's why as soon as I got my paycheck, I was just like buying all the cryptos that I could at that time. A very important question is, I'm saying you shouldn't diversify at the starting phase, but when does the starting phase finish? When are you supposed to start diversifying? Well, that depends on how you can handle risk. I personally started diversifying my portfolio when I got to 30,000. And for some might sound like a lot, for some might sound like a little. But for me, I was like, yeah, until I don't get 30,000 invested in this crypto, I ain't gonna start buying anything else. When I got to that point, everything I was making, I was like, no, I gotta buy different cryptocurrencies or different stocks or just something different. I had to start diversifying my money just to protect my investments from, I don't know, maybe there was a bear market coming and then cryptos fall, and I should have been invested in some other things so I don't lose that much. That's why I could handle that risk until 30,000. But that depends on you. That depends on how much risk you can handle. And always, I want to tell this point again because it is really, really important. Do your own research. Always. Never invest in something because you saw some guy on YouTube telling you invest on this because this is going to go to the moon. I would never recommend you to invest on anything. I'm fully invested in crypto. You can see that in my other videos. But I was always doing my own research. I was just watching some guy on YouTube. He's like, yeah, this crypto coin is gonna go to the moon, blah 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 blah. And then I started to do my own research, and then I was like, yeah, this coin is a pretty good choice. And then I started buying it after I did my own research, and I wanted to know more about like the team behind that coin, or stuff like that, you should always do it and research any business that you want to invest. Like, let's say Tesla, you want to buy Tesla. Just do your own research, see how much money they're making, how much money they're losing, what's the potential growth, and how much cars they're selling. You know, like there's a ton of stuff. You can look it up on Yahoo Finances and they'll tell you everything about that business. So it's pretty easy. You can even watch a YouTube video on how to read a financial statement, and that's where you're gonna be able to be like, yeah, I'll be investing here or not. And well, that was it for today. I hope you liked the video and I hope it helps you make money. That's it for today, and thanks for watching. Subscribe.